Are you looking forward to unhide your apps on iPhone? Then it's pretty simple and a quick process. So without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, tap and hold the application you want to hide. After that, click on Require Face ID. Tap on Hide and Require Face ID. Once your face has been scanned, click on Hide App at the bottom of the screen. There you go, the application Messenger is now hidden. In order for you to unhide it, all you gotta do is swipe all the way to the left. Scroll down and you'll see the category of Hidden. Click on it. It will scan your Face ID. Now tap and hold the application. And then click on Don't Require Face ID. Once again, it will scan your Face ID and then the application will not be hidden anymore. You can see that the Messenger app is available in the home page itself. You can place this application anywhere on the screen. So this is simply how you can unhide apps on iPhone. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.